the set it and forget it dinner that everybody's gonna love. This easy slow cooker sausage and peppers is so simple to make, and it's ready for you at dinner time. I'm Kelly with thesuburbansoapbox.com, and today we're making a slow cooker sausage and peppers, which takes literally no time at all to throw together. Simply cut up your veggies, throw them in the slow cooker, top with your sausages, and drizzle with olive oil. Put the lid on and cook all day long, and you have one tasty dinner that's ready for you when you walk in the door. So to get started, all you need are a few ingredients, and they're commonly found in any kitchen. So to start, I like to have a variety of different bell peppers. I like to use different colors just to keep the dish vibrant and colorful. It's just part of the eat the rainbow theory there. And then also I like to have some grape tomatoes. Instead of using a tomato sauce, which can tend to get watered down, I like to use some fresh tomatoes just for that vibrant, fresh flavor. And then I also have some onion and some fresh garlic, which you're going to crush and just add. You don't even need to mince it up. Just crush and peel and throw it in the pot. And then your sausage. So I like to use both mild and spicy because everyone in my family likes something different, and this just appeases everyone. To keep your sweet sausage from becoming spicy, we're going to layer that on the top, so there's no worries about that spicy flavor getting into the mild sausage. And then a very good olive oil, this is my favorite, and then some Italian seasoning. And then we're also going to season it with salt and pepper. So let's get started. First, we're going to slice up some onion, and I like to keep the onion kind of on the thicker side so that it doesn't fall apart and disintegrate in the slow cooker. And then I like to stack them on top and cut them in half. It's going to help with the disbursement while they're cooking. Next, we're going to cut up our bell pepper. And I like to cut off the top and remove the seeds. And I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. You can comment below if you have a better technique for cutting a bell pepper. And then I cut it in half. Cut off that end. And slice it into thick slices as we did the onion. Next, we're going to take about 3 or 4 garlic cloves, and you're just going to lay it flat and crush it with the side of your knife. And then you can just peel it off. And you don't even need to chop it up because it's just going to melt into the sauce. So now we're going to make like a little nest in the bottom of the slow cooker. So we're going to add all the onions and the bell peppers. We put in the rest of the onions and peppers. And it doesn't have to look pretty at all. Just throw everything into the pot. And then we're going to add our crushed garlic and our tomatoes. And give it a quick little stir. And then you're going to season each layer as we go. So we're going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of the Italian seasoning. Some kosher salt and some cracked black pepper. And now if you're doing a mix of hot sausage and sweet Italian sausage, You're going to start with your hot sausage layer. So we're going to put those down first. You want to leave a little bit of space in between so that the air can circulate, and they're going to cook a little faster that way. And now your layer of sweet Italian sausage, and we'll just place them right on top. And this is going to help with the juices of the hot sausage are going to go to the bottom. Your veggies may have a little spice to them, but not enough that anybody's going to notice. And then you still have your sweet Italian sausage that's not spicy. And we're going to drizzle all of those with olive oil also. And basically what you're doing here is you're roasting them in the slow cooker. Now you're going to place the lid on top and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 6 to 7 hours. When your sausage and peppers are finished cooking in the slow cooker, you can then arrange on a serving platter. I like to serve mine on a bed of cheesy polenta. And then add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh snipped basil for color. Another way I like to serve my sausage and peppers from the slow cooker is in little sandwiches. And this is fantastic for game day. You can just whip up a whole batch of sausage and peppers in your slow cooker and everybody can serve themselves and watch the big game. So whether it's casual dinner with the family or a big game day party, sausage and peppers in the slow cooker is definitely the meal that you want to make. So savory and juicy and perfectly cooked with minimal hands-on time. This is definitely the slow cooker meal of your dreams. For more recipes and tips, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to share it.